Welcome to Daily Devo. My name is Diana, and today we are talking about who actually owns the gift. Hey, who is in control of your life? Who is in control of distributing the gifts that you're receiving in your life? Think about this. When we were growing up, my parents provided most everything that I needed. They purchased the food that we needed and that we would eat. They would prepare it for our family. And as we got older, my siblings and I, we did learn how to cook a few things on our own, some of us better than others. But we knew that we could walk into the kitchen at any time and get what we wanted or we needed. And there were a few times when my siblings and I would get so frustrated with the options in the cupboards. Did that ever happen to you? Man, our favorites were missing, or what we were hungry for or craving, it just wasn't there. There were times when we'd voice that frustration to our parents. We'd say things like, "Mom, we don't have anything good to eat," right? It's as if we felt entitled to have what we wanted in the house when we wanted it, and we felt like we had the decision to decide which one of us got to eat the last good thing in the cupboard. Well, the funny thing is that all of the food in the house, it belonged to my parents. They were the ones who worked hard to earn money. They were the ones who purchased the food, and really, they were the ones who offered that food to us as their kids as a gift. My siblings and I, we were just the recipients of their gift. Today's verse is similar to this concept. Jonah finds himself inside the belly of a fish. He has disobeyed God, and he's gone the opposite direction. And God had arranged the space for Jonah, and Jonah sought God in prayer. And at the end of his prayer, Jonah makes a significant statement. He makes an observation, and let's read it together. It's in Jonah chapter 2, starting in verse 9. Here's what it says. It says, this is Jonah speaking in his prayer. He says, "But I will offer sacrifices to you with songs of praise, and I will fulfill my vows. For my salvation comes from the Lord alone." So the very last thing that Jonah says is he says, salvation is from the Lord. Man, this is a significant thought throughout the book of Jonah. And what Jonah's doing in his prayer is he's acknowledging that the gift of salvation, it is the Lord's. God is the owner of it. God is the one who chooses how to distribute this gift. Jonah doesn't want the people of Nineveh to experience this gift of salvation, yet it is not Jonah's choice to decide who gets this gift and who does not. So, like parents who are the rightful owners of food in the house and who lovingly offer this gift to their family, salvation is the Lord's, and it comes from the Lord. So today, do this. Spend some time thinking about the truth that salvation is the Lord's. And let's remember what a gift it is and how we first received this gift of salvation, not by our own striving, but because God lovingly chose to extend his gift of grace to us. Let's remember who owns the gift and who decides where it goes. Have a great day.